Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt.
What's up everybody, and welcome to my channel. Straight moto vlogging, Aki vlogs for you guys. In today's video there isn't much. I'm just gonna show you how beautiful this bike sounds and how fast it goes. So make sure you guys subscribe and support my channel. Let's go straight from here. Damn, I somehow end up at the beach all the time. It's beautiful. Just look at my puppy over here. She's heating up from all that riding. But I know you felt good, and I'm a good owner. I love you, baby.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now.
Look, I'll be straight up honest with you guys. I didn't want to make this video to show off my riding skills or anything like that. If you guys go down to my channel, then you guys would have seen a lot of crazy fast riding content, which I quit because I definitely know it's unsafe. But also, how do I keep my channel active during a situation of coronavirus, right? I can't go out, I can't travel much. So this is my small effort to do something that I like, and please support me like you guys have been doing it. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for everything so far. Also, I just read the news about Sushant Singh Rajput, gone too early. He was an amazing actor, successful guy. That pushes me to tell you guys, take care of your mental health too. that actually broke my heart. I don't know, he was successful, he looked happy, and I don't know what happened. That's why support your artist friends, keep them happy, make sure you ask them how they are. Alright then, that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. I love you. Peace.
Let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now.